Okay, welcome to Zuma Cars and Coffee, June 11th edition.
Right? We're like the anti-right there.
Batman. There's the Batmobile.
Listen to his voice. I love it.
With even a bat phone. Pretty good.
Okay, hold on. Here comes real Batman. Thank you for letting the officers sit in there, Batman. Oh, there was an opportunity. Hold on. Oh, get your cake, Batman. Get your cake now.
Everything's pretty cool.
That is cool. Is this the actual one? There you go.
Oh, that's nice of them.
Yeah, I didn't want to like scratch the seats. I was so scared.
I got all the tools.
With even a bat phone. Pretty good. Up and up. Back to the future.
Oh, sorry.
And highway patrol. Okay.
It's just regular Avengers. Body kit.
Get special parking this time. I made the grade. Okay.
Hey, who strikes this car? What's up? How you doing? Good, how are you? What thing are you?
Thanks for organizing, man.
Take care.
What Porsche will sell you a car?
I have a picture to show you soon. Let me finish it. Okay. Oh, there's Jeannie in her orange Porsche.
To match your hat.
Yeah.
It's my Volkswagen. Don't make fun of my Volkswagen.
Nice.
But my bike has sparks flow.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they said like yeah. For what? I have a.
And there's the gang.
We're at Killer Shrimp,
Killer Shrimp. Oh,
also
there's
known as
Bat Kid.
Zuma Cars and Coffee.
Oh.
I was following you, and then I.
Cool. You're the only video. Okay. Okay, I've got my video assistant, my grandson Ryder. Okay, let's go video some more cars.
Hey, how are you?
Good. More family. And there's the man of the day. Hey! Bodie. My other grandson. My little boy Danny. And my little wife Emily. Okay, come on, we're going to go this way now. We're going to see every car here. What do you think? Yeah. boats back there.
Change it up to make it
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay, and here's our overflow parking. Yeah. Okay, going this way. You coming with me or going with him? Okay, I got him.
Yeah, the windshield wipers.
Okay, we're going this way. Nice Rolls Royce. Killer shrimp. Oh, and no cars meet would be complete without some boats. This is the place to be on a Sunday morning.
My experience may be slightly different.
There's the entrance where it all happens. Ryan and Chase.
Hey, we're gonna open up the parking lot. It's slow today. So
Okay, we'll go this way. Over to the Killer Sushi side of Killer Shrimp.
Hey Tyler, we're opening up all the lots, so if you want to head back.
And some more cars. Okay, Killer Sushi, more boats, and there you have it for June 11th edition of Zuma Cars and Coffee.